Hello everybody, and welcome to this month's unboxing for your creative studio. As you can see, I have got the kit already opened and ready to go, and something new that they are doing now is labeling the theme of the kit on the outside and maybe even the month number. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and jump in. So here is the business card, and as you can see, it definitely does have a shell theme. So let's go ahead and pull everything out. Alright, I've got the items pulled out of the paper and the box. It's very heavy, so let's go ahead and jump in. The first item is a stamp set with a shell and a seahorse. You can't see it very well, but there those are. They're a good size too, so that's going to be fun. Next we have the washi tape. So this is a really fun collage. I think that's really pretty. Let's go ahead and put that down there. And there's a lot there before it starts to repeat again. And the next thing is this box of what looks like labels. And these look very similar to ones that we've gotten in the past. They're a lot bigger. But we got the same style, just different shaped labels. These are square and the ones before were more rectangular, but there is a lot here, and these are stickers. So that's going to be fun. Next we have a little paper pack, and this looks to be sort of food recipe treat themed. Not sure how it fits in with this month's theme, but there we are. And again, there is quite a bit here. Alright, next we have, I'm not really sure here, we have another sort of ephemera pack, maybe? So here are the bigger designs. And here are some of the other designs. It's kind of hard to pull all of this into the theme. I think these are probably stickers. Alright, next. Ooh, we have some more of these. I love these. You guys already know, and these are a different material. They're more shiny as opposed to the more vinyl feeling the other ones are. So these are a little bit different. These are a little bit more shiny. But again, lots of florals. I love the florals, and I use these like crazy. These are so pretty. Oh. Wish I could have all the vintage florals from like all the countries that these are actually from, like not just the reproduction, but the actual stamps. Alright. Next, we have an exclusive ephemera kit. So here are the smaller bits. We've got some shells and some word phrases there. And then here are the bigger designs. We have a seahorse, jellyfish. These are really intricate. There's that conch shell, an octopus, some coral, more coral. These are really thick too. Here's a king conch, some seaweed, and then they go into the same designs but smaller. There's a starfish. These are all really pretty. So there are those, her ephemera. Those are exclusive. Okay, here is her exclusive sticker sheet. Here is another one of her exclusive designs. This is her paper ephemera. So this is about 4x6, maybe a little bit smaller, but we get 4 designs of each, 4 sheets of each design. And they have all of the same printed elements that we've seen. Lots of good distressing, which is really fun. These are a really fun size too. These are easily usable in pretty much all journal sizes because it's not much bigger than Passport. Ooh, look at that one. And then there's a seahorse. So quite a bit to choose from there if the other cooking paper ephemera just wasn't really up your alley. Here is another stamp. Oh, there's 2. We've got the conch and the lighthouse. This is kind of hard to see. The stamps are always so much fun. Alright, here is another item. It doesn't really, again, make sense with the kit, but it's pretty, and all the floral things will coordinate really well to all the previous kits. So we've just got some what look like sticker strips. They're not washi material. And these are bigger. So we've got 4 sheets in total. All right, 2 more items, and they are exclusives. So next up we have the sticky notes, which I really, really like. I like that you can use it this way, and it also looks appropriate this way or this way. I love that. I can really appreciate a design that is versatile like that, where I can sort of move it all around. And the last item is some more of this tissue paper again. It looks like all of the designs are the same, so I don't want to open it and take it out, but I can feel, you can see how easily that moves around. This is tissue paper, and every time I pull it out of the packaging, I almost always rip one, and I just don't want to do that right now. But this is the tissue paper. If I had to guess, there's at least 3 to 5 sheets in here, but all really pretty. I will have to say that some of the items just didn't really make sense to the kit, like this ephemera, the color of these didn't really make sense with what's going on, and these florals don't really make sense with this, but there are so many exclusives in here. You have 4 different stamps, a sticker sheet, tissue paper, sticky notes, really, really thick ephemera, the paper ephemera, and the washi tape. It just doesn't make sense to get upset about the items that don't really go well with that month's theme. To me, I look at getting her exclusive items as the actual kit items and all of these other bits as extras. And that's how I picture it. That's how like my mind processes these things, because Amanda is including so many exclusive designed items that even if she stopped including all of these extras, it would still feel like a really well-rounded kit that she designed, which I have a lot of appreciation for, because I know how much work goes into designing these kits, and adding all of these extras in is just sort of an extra bonus for us. So yeah, there is the kit. I don't think I need to, here's these two. I don't really think I need to swatch the stamps because we all know that they're really good. But stay tuned because I'll be creating with this. I'll be journaling and doing some mail art with this. So if you want to see this kit in action, just stay tuned. Until then, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you have enjoyed this little sneak into this month's kit for your creative studio. I'll leave everything you need to find in the description below, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.